Oh wow, right at the back. Right, so here we've got one of our factory rear quarter molds. Because obviously my car's got so much cut out of it, I had to get a factory Sylvia, get the whole entire rear of it molded, and now when we bash it up, we can just make replacement panels. Even got a mold to do the rear piece. I've always loved the look of the S13's back. Obviously the reason why I don't run a rear bumper. And so got a little bit of previous year's damaged parts, a couple of blown out rear quarters. Plenty of fun has been had smashing all these parts up, but not intentionally, definitely not. Dirty bird shat on it. Where's my wax? So the last few molds are done. I actually just used car polish, and it worked. But then I actually finally got the proper shit, so it's the first time I use it. Oh, little pad and stuff in here. You're right, the stuff's a lot different. It's actually like a beeswax or something. I'll smash that on there and let's get a mold pumped out of this. And there we have it, one mold ready to throw some glass on. Let's just hope we don't stuff this up, could be expensive. So we've got the gel coat on our fiberglass mold now, and I think it's time we peel the stickers off the car while we freshen it up. So I'm going to be painting the car temporarily, just tidying it up for my wedding, and then after that got a whole new colour scheme for next season, new livery. Cannot wait to show you guys. Pull out our trusty friend Ozito. Snap-on quality. Yeah, don't drop the camera, not a good idea. Always wear your safety boots when you're in the shed. It's make or break time. Pop the mold out and hope she's all good. Do this outside because I'm really lacking room in here. Oh yeah, perfect. Yes! Whew. Looks like it come out alright. So there we have it. Bit of PVA to wipe off. But no, she's looking mint, mate. Pretty happy with that. The article. Now this should be pretty strong, man. So I tried to make this end here thin, so only 2 layers. It's not too bulked up off the vehicle. And in the back I do pack a little bit more in because we're going to be tapping some walls. So one thing that I did do a shit job on this one is, you can see I didn't pack the glass in properly there. Gel coat sort of thing. So could be better. Always room for improvement. So I was down at the paint shop today getting a few sanding supplies. Literally the sponsor Tim walks past, sees all the stuff in my hands, and he's like, mate, I'll suss that out for you. And he's got us an orbital, dust the suit, some wet and dry or whatever it is, 320. because I try to take a little bit of a load off him, because such a legend. He's done tons of work for me in the past. He's painted my car from the very beginning till now, and as you can see by the state of the car, I send him a lot of work. Almost every round we've got panels, usually not that bad, but we've got panels on the car that constantly being crashed. I repair them up, send them down to him. So massive thank you to Tim and Amy at Cotchell & Ross Panel and Paint. You guys are legends. So we are doing colour change on the car this season, and that will be down at Tim's shop, and I cannot wait. Something a bit different, and yeah, the livery will be totally different too. So we've got ourselves a new toy here. That is going to kick ass on not consistently using the hand to sand. That sucks. Let's try it out. I don't even need to sand it yet, but you always play with new toys, eh? Come with me. So what we're sanding off here, this is the oh shit, this is the PVA. So first we put on a mold release agent onto our mold, and then the PVA, and that's just like a backup in case the waxy surface doesn't work and we have gel coat stuck to our mold. So all this shit's gonna come off. And then we'll go fit it all up. I know, it's real exciting. Alright, time to fit up some panels. One small issue. Got the car in here. Absolute mess. Got a shit ton of metal. I don't know where to put it all, so got to clear that out of the way, then we can do some work on the car. Shitloads of alloy used for fabbing up everything. Yeah, small shed problems. Oh, we've got a motor there and a tent. Oh my god. And hay fever. Great. So I've tucked this engine away while I prepare to get all the panels and everything on this sorted for the new livery, tidying things up. So a bit of a prick, but I decided I'm just going to push the steel all to the side there, sort of work around it for now. Should leave us with a little bit of room in there. Let's get into it. Current state that she's looking in. Beaten. Abused. Loves it. It's a bit dusty in here. The shed's almost looking clean now, finally. Start kicking into this beast. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of those jobs that sort of sucks. Tearing off all our graphics. Two lucky numbers, 2 different championships. Pro Sport 2018, Pro 2020. So I made a little bit of a purchase and got my own paint gun, some primer and shit. I'm gonna have got painting this myself.